Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Want to bring your PDFs into Notion quickly and painlessly? In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest method for importing a PDF file straight into your Notion workspace. By the end, you'll be able to take documents from your computer, whether it's meeting notes, ebooks, scanned contracts, or anything else, and have them right in Notion, ready to review, share, or organize. Let's dive straight in. Okay, so you've got your PDF saved somewhere on your computer and you'd love to reference it inside Notion. Here's how to do that in just a few simple steps. First, head over to your Notion workspace and open up the page where you want your PDF to live. Once you're on the right page, look up towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll spot three little dots stacked vertically, sometimes called the More Options menu. Think of it like the secret button that unlocks extra features in Notion. Go ahead and click those three dots. Don't worry if it takes a second to spot them. They can blend in, especially if you're working on a busy page. This opens up a menu with several options. Among those, you'll see an option labeled Import. This is your gateway for bringing in content from outside Notion, like a transporter beam for your files. Give Import a click, and you'll see a few different choices pop up. Select PDF from the list. This tells Notion that you want to import a PDF specifically, not a CSV, not an image, but that document you've been working on. Now, once you click on the PDF option, Notion will prompt you to browse your computer's files. This is the moment where you're basically reaching into your computer's filing cabinet and pulling out exactly what you want to bring into Notion. Take a second here to find the PDF you need. Maybe it's tucked inside your Downloads folder, or maybe you've stashed it on your desktop. If you have lots of files, don't worry. Use the search bar or sort by date if you need to. Once you've found the correct PDF file, select it and confirm by clicking Open. Notion does the rest for you. It'll take a moment to upload. The speed depends on your internet connection and how large your PDF is. If your document is on the bigger side, just be patient. You'll soon see your PDF appear right inside your Notion page, organized and ready for you to look through. You can scroll through it, share it with teammates, or leave notes right alongside. Just like that, your PDF is imported. So, to recap, click the three dots, choose Import, select PDF, find your file, and let Notion handle the upload. It's super straightforward, but each click has a purpose, making sure your document lands exactly where you want it in your workspace. If you run into any hiccups, maybe you can't see the three dots, or the PDF doesn't upload, double-check your internet connection and make sure the PDF isn't locked or protected by a password. Most PDFs upload smoothly, but if yours doesn't, you can always try restarting Notion or converting the PDF to a standard format. And that's it. Now you've got your PDF living in Notion, perfectly organized and ready to go. If you found this easy method helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help you out. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Notion tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.